In today's video, we will take out the taillight for 2012 Toyota Sienna. First, we will open the trunk. Notice there are two 10mm screws that we will need to take out. Here I'm using a gun, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm socket if you want. Once both the screws are out, now we will slightly push the taillight from the quarter panel side. And notice the taillight is coming apart. It is this clip that was holding onto it. And this is the spot of that taillight that goes inside the clip. Now we will take out the plugs. First plug is the white color. Just press and hold the middle tab and then push the plug outwards. First plug is out. Same goes for the second plug. Just press and hold the middle tab and then push the plug outwards. With both plugs taken out, there we ended up taking out the taillight completely. Now in case if you just want to change the bulb, all you have to do is just turn this plug anti-clockwise and then pull the plug outwards. There we took out the bulb. Now we take out the bulb just like that. Now suppose you got a new bulb, you just put it back, does not matter this way or the other. Just install it back the way you took it out. Make sure the teeth of the plugs match with the spot of the taillight. So you just install the plug and then turn the plug clockwise. In case if you just want to install a new taillight, just reverse the entire process and you should be fine. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.